Confused by too many indicators cluttering your chart? What if a simple arrow could signal trend direction and entry points for you? Let's break down the arrow's trend flow strategy. This strategy uses trend flow arrows, clear signals showing when bullish or bearish momentum is firing, plus basic price action to time entries. Here's how it works. Buy setup. The indicator plots a green up arrow, signaling bullish momentum. Price is above the recent structure or a moving average. Bias is up. Enter long when the arrow appears and the next candle confirms direction with a bullish close. Sell. Setup. The indicator plots a red down arrow, signaling bearish momentum. Price is below recent structure or a moving average. Bias is down. Enter short on the candle immediately after the arrow with bearish confirmation. This takes the guesswork out of identifying entries. Arrows show momentum shifts. You wait for a clean confirmation candle, and you're in. Place your stop loss just beyond the recent swing high-low. If price reverses against you, cut the trade. This keeps your losses small. Aim for at least 1.2 risk to reward when possible. Trade with trend signals and clear entries, not noise. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free Arrows trend flow indicators and templates, and start trading with confidence.